Our top story on Climate Tracker.
India is an agricultural powerhouse, and yet its contribution to the country's economy has been rapidly declining.
India is the world's third largest emitter of carbon dioxide.
Our ancestors lived in harmony with nature, respecting its rhythms and cycles. Rapid industrialization and development began to overshadow this connection. The change begins with our lifestyle, in the things we do every day. At PlanetGreen, we are dedicated to creating sustainable communities that integrate seamlessly with nature, promoting eco-conscious and sustainable living. Together, we can bring change. At Farm Natura, every weekend with your family is about reconnecting with nature through natural farming, growing your own natural and nutritious farm produce, and building a farmhouse where you can relax and rejuvenate close to nature. On an everyday, imagine a place where your home is nestled amidst lush greenery, where sustainable living is the norm. Dates County is designed for those who wish to live a life aligned with nature. This World Environment Day, make a commitment to reconnect with nature. One lifestyle decision at a time can lead to a greener, more sustainable future. Visit PlanetGreen to learn more and how you can be a part of this revolution.